Okay, I wanted to make a video for my fellow hikers, campers, hunters, landowners. If you're out and you see these nasty invasive plants in our woods, please pull them. Don't think you're going to get in trouble. You're doing us a favor. So these are invasive plants, not native. They take over our forests and decimate our native populations, and that's not just our native plant populations, but everything that depends on our native plants as well. So our pollinators and herbivores and carnivores and omnivores and such. So the first one here is a woody species. It is the first thing woody to leaf out usually, and the last thing to drop the leaves. This gives its advantage. And of course, being an invasive species, there are no natural predators here, which allows them to take off. So bush honeysuckle, it is a woody species. It has a light kind of tan wood. The leaves are opposite each other. They are slightly fuzzy. And notice that the leaves also have, the tip is unique to them. And those are indicators to help you identify it. Try to pull it from the closest you can to the ground. And of course, when they're small, they're easiest to pull and after rain. So that's the first nasty. The next one, this is euonymus, also called winter creeper. So this grows both along the ground, and then once it reaches a tree, it'll grow up a tree, and so it can smother both the ground and a tree. It has also opposite leaves. They're smooth instead of fuzzy like the honeysuckle. The undersides are often have a burgundy color to them. And again, like the others, pull them, get the root if you can, as soon as possible. A relative of that, where I'm at, which is Salt Lick, I'm not seeing a ton of, but this is a relative of the last, and this is burning bush, which, a lot of people think is nice for their yards, but it ends up birds eat the fruit, and then they poop in places like nature preserves and wildlife areas, and it becomes a problem. So this one also has opposite leaves. They're also smooth. It also has that burgundy color to it as well. So bad. And the last one is garlic mustard, and that's what this is. I'll pull that right now. So it kind of has these scalloped leaves. This one's already getting ready to flower. It produces thousands and thousands of seeds. And of course it smothers our lovely native spring flowers. So it is edible. I've tried to eat it. I don't really care for it. It does have a kind of a mustardy aroma to it. You can kind of see what the root looks like. But anyway, those are the four big ones, or really three big ones. I don't see the burning bush one at this particular site. Doesn't mean it's not a problem other places. So if you see those, please, 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 just while you're walking along, just yank them. And wildlife, nature, and people like me will appreciate you doing that. Thank you.